Hey guys, it's Amy and Cody here in the playroom. Somebody's getting pretty scruffy, don't you think? And he needs a bath. Well, it's a pretty dreary day out, and I haven't heard much talk about people dressing up for trunk or treat or anything like that. I don't think they're doing that this year for obvious reasons, but I still thought it would be fun to dress up. My kids have quite a bit of dress up stuff, some that they have purchased and some that they've made. Let me show you. My son took a little army hat that his grandma gave him and put some garden netting and some artificial leaves in for camo. One day he asked for some bendy metal, which was my tinfoil, and a Dollar Tree broom that he wanted to hot glue. He's actually pretty careful for an 8-year-old, so I let him. And that is his Roman helmet. And before that, we made one out of an Amazon box and some tape and foam. And last year I made him this policeman's hat. This kid has more dress-up stuff than his sister. She's just happy to put on some princess tiaras and some dresses and maybe throw in some glitter in her hair that does not wash out. But I really loved playing dress-up as a kid. In fact, the kids from the neighborhood would all come over and we had this big old grab bag of just dress-up, like usually adult clothes like a suit or like some dresses from when my family members were teenagers in the 70s. It was just so much fun to use our imaginations, but I don't think playing dress-up should end when you're a grown-up. So today I'm gonna come up with some costumes from things around the house. I was planning to declutter a few of these things, but I'm gonna have some fun with them first. Hey guys, so real quick, a PSA for this video. Stay tuned till the very end because in my opinion that is the very best costume of all, and I get a lot dramatic. So because for one, it's of a villain, and two, because the lines are so fun to quote. A couple of years ago my mom gave me a bag from one of her friends who was clearing out her wardrobe. Probably some of it was originally from the 70s, so she gave me some things and I was planning to sell it on Etsy, but you guys know clutters delay decisions. And I just don't really want to spend my time and effort on something that's not for my friends and family or for a creative project for myself. So I'm just gonna dress up with this outfit and then I'm gonna pass it on. So let's go upstairs and find my groovy orange outfit, which I don't enjoy orange as a clothing choice. Burnt orange looks good on a lot of my friends, but orange is not my color. So I was thinking there are a few different ways that I could style my 70s looks. So we'll see what I come up with. Oh boy. That is bright and very knit. Now, if I had my childhood jewelry box, I would definitely have some big dangly earrings that I think were from my aunt. That would look awesome with this. But since I don't, I'm just repurposing some cheap costume jewelry. I don't have pierced ears, so it's always kind of hard to find things that work for me. So I gotta make my own. Alrighty, so my first impression is that this might be more 60s because of the length, and I actually don't hate it as much as I thought I would. The shoes and the tights are hideous, but we'll change that. I don't have go-go boots, so I'll just stick these thingies on. They'll have to do. I don't think I would wear it normally. Do I want to keep it? Probably not. It's pretty cool though. Okay, I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm a little afraid to use eyelash glue. So my conclusion is that Hollywood glam is not for me. No, not happening. Alright, so accessories. If you're one of my friends that lived during this time, please comment below. Do you think you would wear something like this? And I'm going to steal, if I can find a loose one. Although you know I like my hot glue. One of these. Is it too much? Probably. The 70s kind of were too much, like floral print with clashing floral print, you know? And one thing that I really couldn't stand that they did was mixing pink with orange. Don't really know. But I think what I'm gonna do to make it actually look 70s is I gotta short the skirt. Meredith, if you're watching, thanks for my go-go outfit. Alright, there we go. I think that's pretty 70s. Wouldn't you say that's pretty groovy? Let's see if I can get my hair any bigger. If you're getting ready for a costume party, a 70s outfit is pretty easy to throw together from the thrift store, just going in and picking out different pieces that you might enjoy. Shall I tell you your fortune? Don't have a crystal ball? That's okay, just use a balloon. What is this I see? Creativity in your future. So technically, turbans are also 70s, but as soon as I put it on my head, I knew I had to be a gypsy, or to be more PC, a fortune teller. I hope you got a chuckle out of this one. Let's move to the next. So my friend Lisa is coming, and why do I hear clicking? You little stalker. How in the world can I focus when you're being so cute? And she's also a fellow artist. She enjoys getting dressed up too at run fairs and that sort of thing, so. She said she'd bring her costume, and she doesn't know what I'm dressing up as, I think. So mine is kind of based off of a famous painting, which makes it fun for me, because I love art. I'm just kind of like piecing together kind of an ensemble that will sort of mimic the way this famous person looks in her self-portrait. So, stop it! Quit snorting in my video! I was at the grocery store, so he's a little crazy when I come back. You're just the cutest. My cute puppy. I got this wig and it reminds me of Stacy from What Not to Wear. But I'm going to use this because I did not want to buy two wigs for how I plan to dress up as just a plain black wig. I'm going to try to actually conceal the white, try to flip this wig upside down. I got it from Amazon. I think it looks pretty nice. It looked nice online, and now that I see the hair and everything, I really like it. I think it was worth the money. And on the inside it has like size adjustment, so that's cool. I think it's gonna work. But since I'm not dressing up as Stacy, I don't actually want the white to show. I want only the black hair to show. This is gonna be the bottom, and this is gonna be the top. So I'm gonna have to lay it funny. See what I can do. I'm just gonna pin it up. Okay, now I'm just trying to duplicate something that looks like her letter. I don't know what this part is, but this is supposed to be Leon Trotsky because this is called Self-Portrait, dedicated to Leon Trotsky, and that's gonna work. I don't know if that red shirt's clean, but I've got a red shirt, but I have butters. I can do this. Okay, so she's got these pink and red flowers in her hair, and this particular painting. I'm just gonna pick some of these. I still need to tidy up, vacuum, do the dishes before she comes, but I'm doing the fun stuff instead. Excuse me. Is it? Good boy. Stay down. Good boy. Alright. Got that away. That might go. This is not flattering. Need to clean my mirror. Red lips.
Yeah, but why are you dressing up like that?
I'm not gonna do a show. I am trying, you know how people take paintings and then they try to do them? Art gallery at home. That's
why do you have human eyebrows?
Do I have the look? He doesn't know who you are.
Yeah, it's the hat. The hat is scary.
Come guess who I am.
I already guessed because I heard you talking.
Is this like a thing that you guys like normally do?
How did he miss all of this? Like, has he not seen pictures and things from before? I mean, it's been going on for like 15 years, maybe longer.
Turn your head so that they can see the feathers. Isn't that an awesome pirate hat? It looks perfect with her hair. I've always loved her hair. And I like making her have like Gibson girl hair. Big hair is my favorite.
Yes. Do you have those pictures still?
Yeah, I'll put them up there. So your job, it sounds really draining to me. How do you deal with that, and what's your favorite way to relieve stress?
Used to play Halo a lot. Got away from that. Destiny 2 took over. Been playing Among Us lately with friends when we can get enough people together. I don't know if you know what Among Us is.
Nope.
Basically, it's a game where you are all crewmates on a ship.
Oh, that sounds fun.
And there's
pirate ship?
No, a spaceship.
Oh.
And you have to try to figure out who the imposter is, who goes around killing all the crew members.
Oh, it's like Mafia.
Sabotage. Yes, it's a lot like Mafia.
Oh, my husband would like that.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. There's chaos. So yeah, so that's one way I blow off steam is I get online with friends and play games. Art is definitely one of the ways that helps me deal with stress when I make sure I take the time to do it.
What's your most recent art project been?
That would be the painting, the koi fish painting that we've talked about before. Don't know. Did I send you a picture of the finalized thing?
You should, so that they can see it.
I should. I'll have to take one because I don't know if I took a. Now I'm gonna end up drawing a koi fish because now they're on my mind.
That's good as me. Oh, you've come to join me just in time. So my next costume, I think, is the best one. I did spend a little bit of money just because I do enjoy dressing up and I think that I can repurpose this in multiple ways. So just to have a little bit of fun, instead of, say, going to the movies, I did buy a couple of supplies. Well, Cody, I'm not sure you're gonna like this next one. Let's see how quickly you can guess who I'm going to dress up as. Something kind of vague. I've got some gloves, so there are those. Secondly, I've got technically a bathrobe. It's so soft, I love it. Walmart has those right now. I bet you've got it now, haven't you? This, with shoulder pads and all, is an actual outfit from the 80s. Somebody really wore this for serious. But I'm gonna wear it as Cruella de Ville. But first I've got to get a few things ready, including one of her accessories and some makeup, which is based more on the cartoon, and this is just a loose interpretation. I wasn't gonna go to the thrift store and try to buy a fur coat. I wanted something that I could keep and use in the future, and I don't wear fur coats, so let's see how this turns out. Okay, so first of all, she's got the cigarette extension thing, right? If you look in the cartoon, the cigarette part is red, so I'm going to just break a crayon and peel it. I'm always telling my daughter not to break crayons, and look what I just did. Have any of you ever taken the broken crayon parts and melted them down to make little multicolored rainbow crayons? Kids love those. So I'm just gonna shove a Starbucks straw and the crayon together. I wish I had a good villain's laugh, but I've tried and I can't do it. So there's my hoity-toity villain cigarette extension. Now, I don't have a lot of makeup, but I do have my daughter's face paint, so I think that's what I'm going to use here. And again, like I said, this is going to be more based on the cartoon. I see that I really only have 10 minutes before I have to do a call. Thank God it's not a Zoom call. Well, wouldn't you agree she's kind of insane, so if she looks insane, she's kind of white on the face too. She's got these like killer cheekbones, so maybe I should have done the white first. And this might really ruin it, but I'm gonna try to look like the cartoon. And you know how she's got that nose? Super scary. She doesn't scare you. Okay, now I look like a drag queen. Hello. No evil thing will. Cruella, Cruella de Ville. Cody. Okay, that's a little bit not tight enough for Cruella, I would think. Anita, darling, how are you? Roger. Come tell me, where are the puppies? 15 puppies. Oh, I love it. It's divine. I'll take them all. Come now, Anita, name your price. Don't be shy. I beg your pardon, Anita. Not for sale? You can't be serious. You can't possibly afford to feed them all. How are you planning to pay for them? With Roger's music? Anita, be serious. You're talking to me, Cruella. Come now. You know I'll be through with you. I'll be through with you all. You fools. You idiots. You imbeciles. Well, that was rather fun to ham it up a little bit and see what I could come up with. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video. I know I could work on my theater makeup a little bit more, but in any case, I enjoyed myself. I hope you did too. If you want to see me reinvent this wig in the future, stay tuned. Click subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video is up. I aim to post a new video every Friday. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. This playlist might be of interest to you, and YouTube thinks you'd enjoy this video. It's not coming up with my eyebrows. I don't want to traumatize my kids. Ouch. Oh, pain. Go lay down. I'm a bad lady. I hurt dogs. Go away. What? He smells the cookies that I snatched.